Hello and welcome, my name is Gianmarco Feliciano-CRESPO and today I will be showing you a quick tutorial on how to remove and replace a background using GIMP. So, assuming you already have GIMP downloaded and opened, you can go into these File tabs, then click Open and select the image you would like to edit. Once the image has been opened, go into the Foreground Select tool and draw an outline around the person you would like to separate from the background. Once you've done that, press Enter on your keyboard. Now for this section, you can go into the tool settings and copy the same settings I have. Just make sure the draw mode is set to draw foreground. Afterwards, you're going to draw around the area inside of the person you would like to remove from the background. Now don't worry if you make a mistake. If you ever make a mistake, you can always press Ctrl and Z on your keyboard to undo your most recent action. Now this doesn't need to be perfect, however the more accurate you are, the better the results you'll get in the end. Once you've drawn out an area around your subject, press Enter again on your keyboard. Now, once that's finished, hopefully you end up with a good result you're happy with. Now, once that's finished, you can press Enter again on your keyboard. This will create a selection outlined around the person. Now, next step, you're going to go into the Paths dialog. If you don't have the Paths dialog available, you can go into the Windows tab, Dockable Dialogs, then click Paths. In the Paths dialog, click Selection to Path. Once that's done, go into the Layers section and right-click your base layer. Make sure to add an alpha channel. Then, click on Add Layer Mask. Click on Selection, then Add. This will remove the background from the subject. Afterwards, you want to add another layer. Right-click on the Layer section and click New Layer. Then you can press Fill with White. Then click and hold and then drag this layer below your base layer. Afterwards, press Ctrl Shift and A on your keyboard to stop selecting. If you're happy with the result, you can then export the image by going into the Files tab, clicking Export As. You can then change the name to whatever you would like. Then click Export. Then you can adjust the settings as you please and click Export again. Hopefully you're left with a decent looking image with a nice contrasting white background. This concludes the tutorial.